ESAB Renegade Volt ES200i. The ESAB Renegade Volt welder stands out from competitors because it operates without wires. Although welding requires a lot of energy, the project creators don't specify the device's battery life, but they proudly mention its capability of delivering up to 150 amps when plugged into a socket. It can reach up to 200 amps. The unit contains 4 ESAB batteries housed in a separate block attached by latches. It activates instantly and ensures a consistent weld with constant amperage. Although it has a display, it might be challenging to see through the mask. The Renegade Volt is priced at a minimum of $4,000. Makita LXT Wheelbarrow. Feel the breeze through your hair as you roll along, enjoying the gentle hum of the wheels and the powerful engine beneath you. Sounds like a road trip, right? Well, think again. We're actually talking about getting stuff done in your yard with this Makita wheelbarrow, the ultimate multitasker. With its sturdy tires, it can carry up to 300 kilograms and has 3 speed settings powered by 2 18V batteries. It's ready to go. However, keep in mind it's best not to load more than 180 kilograms on slopes, and the hydraulic system only tilts the body up to 75 degrees, so you'll have to adjust it manually if you need a 110 degrees tilt. Plus, it's got 4 wheels for extra stability because sometimes 2 just won't cut it. M18 Compact 1-ton chain hoist with 1 key. Employees in large industrial settings will find this new product particularly handy, especially in areas lacking gantry or overhead cranes or where such equipment is already in use. This electric hoist can handle various loads as it moves along the chain. When not in operation, it can be conveniently stored in a dedicated case. The kit comes complete with the hoist, remote control, and chain. Powered by a battery, there's no need for cables. The remote control has a range of up to 18 meters, which might not sound like much, but it's enough for lifting pipes to the ceiling. LIFTPLAQ. If you live in a big city, you've probably witnessed utility workers lifting manhole covers. It's a coordinated effort. One lifts the cover with a lever while another pulls it aside. LIFTPLAQ simplifies this. With it, even a single worker can move the cover effortlessly. Just bring the tool close, hook the cover with the magnet, and pull it off. LIFTPLAQ prevents back strain when lifting loads up to 100 kilograms. While it can handle up to 450 kilograms, it's better to work as a team in such cases. The project creators assure that the magnet will maintain its strength over many years. Painted in red and yellow, the tool is highly visible on the road, ensuring worker safety. Wolfcraft Magnet Bithalter. German engineers have once again improved what seemed impossible to improve. This magnetic screwdriver tip attachment securely holds the screw, eliminating balancing issues. Precise height adjustment lets you set the depth required. You can monitor the process through the window in the plastic ring. The stainless steel torque bit included prevents screw head damage and rust and costs around $11. Quikpoint TURBO. You don't have to be a mason to achieve a flawless coat of mortar. Simply invest in the Quikpoint TURBO mortar gun, made in the UK. It attaches to a drill and smoothly dispenses the mixed mortar through a narrow nozzle. This softened mortar is perfect for filling masonry cracks evenly. The manufacturer recommends using a drill with a speed of 1 to 1,500 revolutions per minute, preferably powered by an electrical outlet, although a battery-powered drill can also suffice. It's crucial to prevent clogging when using the gun. Quikpoint Turbo has been on the market for several years, so there are numerous reviews available. The starting price of this mortar gun is around $200. STUBBY. Directed air can do wonders. It lifts airplanes, entertains skydivers in vertical wind tunnels, and helps combat moisture and dust. This simple attachment for Milwaukee vacuums is crafted to clear suds and droplets from your car after washing. It comes with two types of attachments, screw-on and snap-on. Just attach it to your vacuum cleaner and start removing moisture. The accessory is priced at $85. Terrier lifting clamps. Here's another device that will catch the eye of professionals and amaze novices. It's a clamp designed for steel plates, consisting of a body, a cam, and a pin. The cam acts as a lifting shackle, ensuring a secure grip on the load. Before using the clamp, it's important to measure the thickness of the plates accurately because precision is key. Once the measurements are taken and the pin is securely placed on the reverse side, you're ready to lift. The plates are held in place by the pressure created by their own weight. No electricity needed, just pure physics. KLEIN loose cable stapler. Arranging cables neatly can be quite a task. While concealing them under baseboards is ideal for aesthetics, it's not always practical, especially in constantly changing office setups. That's where this handy stapler comes in. Designed to fit comfortably in your hand, it simplifies the process. Pressure force is easily adjusted with the lever. The manufacturer assures that it can endure shocks and falls, stays cool, and doesn't jam. However, it only works with staples from the same brand. The stapler is priced at $40.